finished. All we have to do is to serge or overlock the ends of the two trousers, and then we're going to turn them up. If you are making a shorter pair of pants, you can actually cut that curve off that's in there. And if you make the longer ones, leave the curve in. And I'm making the longer ones, so I leave it in. Now I'm going to turn up my hem. I'm just turning this to the left side or the wrong side of the fabric. You didn't really need to do that. I didn't do it in the German version. I'll just do it a little bit different. Anyway, you'll just pin it up on one side and then on the other side. 3 centimeters. Lovely. We'll do the center here. Check it. Yeah. Oh, hang on. No, not perfect. And then the other side as well. Turn your leg back to the other side because it's actually easier to sew from the inside always. You could of course press this too, but I don't think it's really necessary. Now we're just going to sew all the way around with 3 centimeters seam allowance. And that's it, your trousers are done. I'm actually really excited now. Now I'm just going to give this a little press. So I've just sewn and it all looks fantastic. I'm really happy with these pants. Gosh, they look nice. Well done, you are finished. I hope you share everything you've made on Facebook and Instagram and all the other places that I don't even know about. And don't forget to hashtag with #Frocks and Frolics. The Indian collection has a few more items for you, so make sure you check them out. We've got a skirt, we've got a top, got the beautiful grace blouse, and of course these fantastic trousers. So I hope to see you soon again with another course. Bye for now.